Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 versus Porsche Taycan full comparison. Start by focusing on acceleration and handling, then compare real-world range and charging times, and finish with features and ownership costs. I'll point out pros and cons clearly, mention typical charging costs, and explain which buyer each car suits. This is friendly, concise, and practical so you can pick with confidence. Let's dive in together. In this section, we compare practical range and charging so you know what to expect on real trips. I will explain estimated miles per charge, how climate and speed affect range, and where fast charging matters most. We will cover charging time examples, home charging convenience, and typical charging costs you might see. By the end, you will understand how each car fits your routines and long-distance needs. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful comparisons. Quick recommendation: I used some great leak-proof meal prep containers on set, and they made packing lunches stress-free and tidy. Look for the product mentioned in the description where you can find the link and other deals I recommend. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we look at interior comfort and technology to see which car suits your daily life. I'll describe seating comfort, cargo capacity, infotainment behavior, and driver assistance differences in clear terms. Expect comparisons of materials, ergonomics, and update models, plus which systems feel more intuitive for everyday use. This part helps you weigh creature comforts against tech convenience and decide which cabin you prefer for long drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.